Okay, class. In the previous lessons, we looked at the impact or the effects of folding on the landscape and on drainage. This time, let us look at the effects of folding to man, the positive influence, the positive effects of folding to man, to me and to you. Number one, fold mountains contain fertile soils. This means these fertile soils will promote crop growing, and when crop growing is promoted, we get enough food to chase famine. Fold mountains contain pastures for animals, and therefore these fold mountains they are good grazing areas. Fold mountains contain minerals, not all, but some may contain minerals, and this supports mining. Fold mountains attract tourists, and tourism is a source of foreign exchange. Fold mountains promote research and fieldwork. Geographers can move to folded areas and learn more geography. Fold mountains contain wild animals. Some of them are like national parks, and this conserves wildlife. Downwarp lakes promote navigation, water transport. Downwarp lakes promote fishing, and fish is a source of food for man. Fold mountains are water catchment areas. They are a source of rivers, and these rivers provide water for use and industrial use. Fold mountains may act as international boundaries in case they stand between the borders of different countries. Fold mountains are good sites for boosters, antennas, which promotes communication because they attract signals. Fold mountains modify climate because they lead and help in the formation of relief rainfall, especially on the windward sides. Thank you.